Every night I stay up late just to think, while hearing the sounds of the cold winter winds trying to break through the window, the sound of the clock ticking and ticking, and me breathing. While I'm lost in deep thought, questions upon questions arise. Why am I here? Why am I alive? Why am I so alone even though I'm not alone? And why do I keep hurting the people around me? These questions are what keeps playing in the back of my head, screaming, blaring, and shouting over and over and over again. Like an ad playing before a video, like a kid asking her parents for candy, like a broken stereo repeating the same verse of a song one too many times to count. Makes me want to stop. The thoughts that drive me insane are what drive me to make it through every waking day. I want to answer these questions. I need the answers of these questions. I want all of this to be over. It's been going on for too long.